how to hide call tabs on Telegram. So if you're using Telegram and you want to hide this particular call tab on your Telegram, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, you need to know that hiding your call tab on Telegram will not give you access to all your recent calls or die called on the Telegram app, but you can always enable this again or hide it. Now, the first one to do, when you want to hide call tabs on Telegram, is go ahead and open the Telegram app. Then go to your Telegram profile page, either on Android or on iPhone. On the Telegram profile page, locate recent calls and then click on that. Here, you should see all calls and then missed calls. Now, to hide the call tab on your Telegram account, just disable Show Calls tab. Then hit the back button. Then you should see the call tab disappeared here. So you can repeat this again to make the call tab visible. So you can easily hide and unhide the call tab on your Telegram account. So that is basically how to hide and hide call tab on Telegram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.